Hola! The topic of this video today is about formal and informal situations in Spanish. Different from English, Spanish has two ways to address people. So you can use tú, which is informal, or you could use usted, which is formal. Tú and usted mean the same thing. They mean you. But when do you use one or the other? Whenever you're talking to your friends or family members, close people, somebody of the same age, you're going to use tú. But whenever you are in formal situations or you want to show respect, for example, if you're talking to your boss or your teacher, somebody that is much older than you, you should use usted. And UD that is the abbreviation for usted. So you can write usted this way, or you can use UD and that. Okay? So we saw in class that when you ask somebody's name, you could ask that same question in two different ways. It will depend to whom you're talking to. If you're talking to a teacher or somebody older than you or somebody that you need to show respect, you're going to ask ¿Cómo se llama? Or ¿Cómo se llama usted? You can use usted at the end, or since usted means you, and we all know, you could even omit that. But if you're talking to your friends, somebody of the same age, somebody, you don't need to use the formal way. So you can ask, ¿Cómo te llamas? And I want to call your attention to the spelling of these two sentences, because some students go and they don't pay attention to the details. And look, ¿Cómo se llama? Se is formal. Te is informal. ¿Cómo se llama? There is no S at the end, and informal always end with an S at the end. Every time you use the tú form, it needs to end with an S. ¿Cómo te llamas? Okay? Let's see some more examples. ¿Cómo estás? Or ¿Cómo estás tú? Again, you can omit that tú at the end. Okay? This is informal. How can you tell? Well, there is an S at the end. ¿Cómo te llamas? Or ¿Cómo te llamas tú? Again, look, informal, you need to end with an S at the end of the verb. Or when you ask, how about you? ¿Y tú? Now look at the formal sentences. ¿Cómo está usted? ¿Cómo se llama usted? ¿Y usted? Okay, so I hope that was helpful. Make sure you review this video if necessary. Gracias.